many of you know, we had drought last year and then record rainfall this year. And we started our construction in August of last year when it was dry. So as a result of the record rainfalls this year, we had some settling in our build. It took our frames out of square and a couple other things. So to correct the frames being out of square, we got some shoring poles which have adjustable jack screw bases, and I put it on solid steel, which is the forks off our tractor bucket, and then we're going to correct the situation that way. I had a little problem with the base migrating as I adjusted it, so to combat that, I drove 4 24-inch rebar sections down through the base to stabilize it. And it seemed to work pretty well, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you. As you can see here, our cleats shifted a full 1 1/8 inches. I'll show you what kind of screws we switched to. This is the screw we were using, and that's what happened to it. It sheared off, couldn't handle the torque. So now we switched to what they call a timber lock lag screw, and that's what it looks like there. You can see the difference. A little bit better quality. So far it seems to be working out really well.
I really do strong stuff, man.
That alien tape.
Alien tape. Oh, that's a long one.
That's what she said.
Stop it. Or is that what you wish she said?
This is going to be good.
This is the magic of alien tape. The log stays up there. I'm gonna put these in the windowsill so you can use them again. What do you think, Loki? Woohoo! One repair down. 2 more doors and 4 windows.
Should I get the level?
Yeah, get the level. Where'd you put it? In the container?
Or it should be.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Copperline Rattler Ranch. I'm Julia. Dawn went to go get the level. As you just saw, we took out the shoring posts. That piece of wood up there is held up with, believe it or not, alien tape. So he's going to take that down. And then we're going to just check again for square and for level. But we think this is a good fix. So it's going to be onto the windows. We have 4 windows to do, and then the 2 big sliders might be a challenge. We've got 2 more shoring posts coming. Rooster, be quiet, please. We got 2 more shoring posts coming, and those will help with the slider doorways. So we'll need something on both sides. So we're going to have 2 pair on both sides. So here we go. Alright, on to the next one.
Right now we're looking at the bottom of the pedestrian door frame, and it appears to be level. It looks like our fix has corrected the square issue. As you can see, it's fairly close, maybe not perfect.
But within tolerances.
I'd say. And then this one down here is pretty close.